BD Technical Master presents Top 5 Best Pillow for Neck Pain Reviews. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Wrinkle Memory Foam Pillow for Neck Pain. Ergonomic contour, cervical massage, deep sleep neck support, removable washable cover. Get the product link on video description. Number 2. Your Face Pillow for Neck Pain, Back and Side Sleeping Pillow. Anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, wrinkle prevention, acne treatment and natural beauty product. Find the product link on video description. Number 3. Lyricom Cervical Pillow for Neck Pain, Orthopedic Sleeping Pillows. Lyricom for neck pain, shoulder pain, side, back and stomach sleepers, pillowcase, massage granule firm and blue dot. Find the product link on video description. Number 4. Myomon Memory Foam Pillow for Neck Pain. Adjustable contour, stomach, side sleepers, orthopedic cervical pillow, ultimate back and neck pain relief. Find the product link on video description. Number 5. Mkaiski Pillow for Neck Pain, 100% Low Rebound Memory Foam Contour Pillow. Contour Memory Foam, Orthopedic Sleeping, Ergonomic Cervical Pillow, Washable Hypoallergenic Pillowcase for Back. Find the product link on video description.